Hello, class. I hope you're having a good day. Um, we're going to quickly look over finding angle values. Now, this is going to be for angle pairs. Just to review, we talked about four different kinds of angle pairs. There are angle pairs that are adjacent. That just means they share the same side. They're connected. Then we have vertical pairs. They're actually on the opposite sides of two adjacent angles. That would look something like this. Vertical pairs. So these two lines are connected. On this side, we have angle A, and over here, angle B would be the vertical angle to angle A. They're on opposite sides, and we would say that these are congruent, which means if angle A is, let's say, 50 degrees, then angle B is also going to be 50 degrees. Then we have complementary. Complementary means two angles add up to 90 degrees. So let's say we had two complementary angles. And let's say one of them was here and the other one was there. Well, they're going to add up to be 90 degrees. So A plus B equals 90. So what we can do is we can make an equation. We can go A plus B equals 90 degrees. If I know angle A, then I can find angle B. Let's say angle A was actually 32. Then I know that 32 plus the other angle is going to equal 90. Well, how do you undo adding? You subtract. So 90 minus 32 is going to give us that angle. Let me show you on some worksheets here. So looking at number 5, you can see that these are called what? These are called congruent angles. We would call that vertical angles because they're opposite of each other. Because they're congruent, that means that B and 59 are the same angle. So B equals 59 degrees. They have to be the same because they're vertical. But now let's look. Let me move my face out of the way. Now let's look at these. These are called complementary because the two of them add up to 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees over here, which means that B and 23 also have to add up to 90 degrees. So we can make a little equation, just like this. We can do B plus 23. Because these are complementary, they have to equal 90 degrees. Okay? Complementary just means they add up to a right angle for 90 degrees. So again, you can find out B simply by subtracting 23 from 90. Okay? Then we have the last type of angle pair that we talked about, supplementary, or some people call it linear pairs. These are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So it'd be just like what we did, except this time we're going to add them to 180 degrees. Okay, are these supplementary? Yes, they are. B plus 70 equals that straight line. That line's not curved. So I know that B plus what number plus 70 is going to equal 180? And that's your answer for B. Because B plus 70 are supplementary, so they have to add up to 180 degrees. So I'm just going to subtract 70 on both sides, and that'll give us our answer. Okay, this one's a little bit different. You have two adjacent angles. Well, because they also give you that third angle, all three of these angles added together have to equal what? All the way around the circle is how much? It's 360 degrees. So this time, in order to find B, you have to subtract this angle and that angle. I hope that helps. And you guys have a great